What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Aloha Protein Bar. Now, these protein bars are honestly delicious and I'm a huge fan of them. However, I recently discovered some things that I want to share that deterred me a little bit from this brand. So in my left hand here, I have 5 different flavors of theirs, and here I have 3 different flavors of theirs. So I grabbed every flavor of the Aloha Bar at H-E-B here in Texas, and I'm gonna share with you sort of my perspective on the taste, the brand as a whole, the flavor, but more importantly than all of that, the health or lack of health ingredients within these formulas. So Aloha Bar is a plant-based protein bar brand, and in my right hand here, I guess I'll just start here. These protein bars are their peanut butter chocolate chip, their peanut butter cup, and their coconut chocolate almond. So these 3 protein bars do not, I repeat, they do not have sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a seed oil that you want to avoid. So these 3 are okay, and I would order them again. Now, these 5, however, the mint or chocolate mint, the chocolate fudge brownie, which I already ate, the chocolate chip cookie dough, which I already ate, and the oatmeal chocolate chip, and the chocolate caramel pecan, these all have sunflower oil in them. So you don't want sunflower oil because sunflower oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids. Most people are already very high in omega-6 fatty acids, and this creates an inflammatory response within the body. With that being said, the overall brand, like many protein bar brands, there's a lot of chocolate and peanut butter flavors. For whatever reason, I like chocolate and I like peanut butter. However, chocolate is high in heavy metals and peanut butter can be high in mold. So I don't like that I am kind of pigeonholed in between the chocolate and peanut butter flavors, and there's not a lot of variance within this brand. With that being said, the flavors are delicious. The rest of the ingredients are clean. What I don't like is that 5 of their bars have sunflower oil in it, and they also use cane sugar in their bars. I'd prefer that they use monk fruit or stevia or raw honey or something like that, just so that I'm not spiking my blood sugar levels as much. So I really don't like the sunflower oil and the sugar in them. But other than that, I think the bars are good. And I would just get really only their peanut butter and their coconut chocolate almond flavor moving forward, because those are sunflower or seed oil free. These flavors I will not be ordering again. And it sucks because I really like this brand, and when I started getting them, I didn't see seed oils. So I just assumed they all didn't have seed oils, but then I looked closer and I was like, oh, 5 of the 8 have seed oils in them. So that's what you should know. The peanut butter flavors and coconut almond flavor, seed oil free, those are better. I'll link them up on Amazon below. I like them. I would give them like a 8 out of 10. If they remove the seed oils completely and they remove the cane sugar, it'd be a 10 out of 10 company, even as a plant-based protein bar. With that being said, there are 2 other bar companies that I personally like that are, in my opinion, healthier and better than Aloha Bar. One of them is Prima Bar. And I'll put it on the screen here. Prima Bar has 16 grams of protein. So Aloha Bars is 14 grams of protein. Prima Bar is 16 grams, so 2 grams higher protein per bar, and it's animal-based protein. So it absorbs better into your body. So because plants have anti-nutrients, your body doesn't absorb that protein as well. But Prima Bar, it tastes absolutely fantastic. The flavors that they have are more chocolate-based as well, along with most protein bars. Which is okay, but I'll share with you one more company after this. But they're absolutely amazing. They taste incredible, out of this world, actually better than Aloha Bar, and they have more protein per serving. And then the calories is about the same per bar. And the sugars in Prima Bar is slightly higher though. So that is the downside, but you have more protein and more sugar. So if you're just training harder, it's kind of more of a treat. So Prima Bar is amazing. The last company that I really like that is far more unique than Aloha Bar and Prima Bar, because it isn't just peanut butter and chocolate flavors and your typical protein flavor bars, is a company called Paleovalley. Now, Paleovalley is offering 15% off right now. I'll put that link below in the description. Paleovalley has red velvet, lemon meringue, apple cinnamon, and then your regular chocolate protein bar. And these are 10 grams of protein per bar, but they're lower in calories and much more nutrient dense. So far more nutrients than the Aloha Bar or the Prima Bar. a wider range of nutrients, still a good amount of protein, not the highest, but far better flavor. The red velvet and lemon meringue and apple cinnamon are out of this world. And your typical Aloha, which is great and it tastes good, having the peanut butter and chocolate are good, and the Prima having that sort of chocolate peanut butter flavors as well is good. But Paleovalley would be my #1 choice for bars because they have such a range of flavors, and it's 15% off right now. And it's grass-fed, pasture-raised, all that kind of stuff. So Paleovalley would be my first choice. Prima bar would be my second choice, and Aloha bar would come in third now, simply because of the seed oils and the cane sugar. So I will link these up on Amazon. Paleovalley bars 15% off, and Prima bars, I'll link all that up below with any discount codes or special offers that they have. Honestly, these are my 3 top favorite protein bar companies, but Aloha comes in third because it's plant-based and the seed oils and the sugar. So check out Paleovalley and Prima below. And I'll make sure to subscribe to the channel here on Well Star Reviews and Healthy Well Free, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.